Peekaboo Basics Training Series, Session 7 of 14, 250 reps, shadow boxing workout. Hello Earthlings, Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here, and today we're going to be focusing on linear and lateral movement while incorporating the punches in the style itself. It's going to be a little complicated if you're not used to throwing punches at the same time as you're moving. Take it slow and have fun in the process. Now the first punch was the most important punch. Is going to be the jab. We're going to be doing 25 jabs, 25 crosses, and then we're going to do 25 jab and crosses together, totaling 50. And that's going to be 100 reps. And then from there, we're going to get to the left hook, left uppercut, right uppercut. All right, so we're going to get into that stance. We're going to bend those knees, okay? Turn that front foot about 30-degree angle, back foot about 2 steps back, slightly pointed out. Stay nice and light on those toes, crunch your torso, chin to your chest. Emphasis on the shoulders of your imaginary opponent. Bring those hands up, upside down V motion. Have those elbows pinned against the ribs and stay nice and relaxed. Now from here, when you throw the jab, remember, since it's almost like a cross because you're square, you're going to rotate your hips into it. Now, you don't necessarily need to rotate your hips. You can just do it very slightly and bring it back so you're not leaving yourself fully open as you throw that cross out. But when starting out, try to implement the shoulder and the body rolling to throw more power into the punch. All right, now we're gonna go left to right. We're gonna do about 10 to 12, and then we're gonna go up and down 10 to 12 with the jab with the jab before we lead into the cross. Let's go. Remember, to step to the right, you're pushing off that back foot while taking a step with your left, and you're maintaining that shoulder width stance and not crossing your legs. It's the same thing going right, it's the same thing going forward, and it's the same thing going back. Try to keep your hips underneath you. All right, so we're gonna start off going to the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now going back. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Back to the center. 17, outside the side. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Bring it back as quickly to your face as possible. Keep that elbow down and not flaring that shoulder up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now we're going to get into the cross. The cross is going to be a little bit more difficult. Again, maintaining that stance. Keep your hips underneath you for balance and stability. And you throw that cross, your shoulder and your hip is going into the punch, right back to stance. Try to be nice and comfortable and relax that body and have fun in the process. Let's go. Remember, going left to right and then up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now going back. 13, 14, going forward. 15, 16, 17, going back again. 18, left to right. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now we're going to combine the two, going left to right and up and down. Stay composed, nice and relaxed. Focus on technique. If you need to get a drink of water, get a drink of water. Shake it out. Deep breath in. Again. Right back into it. We already got 50 down, 50 more to go, and you're unison with the jab cross. All right, left to right, let's go. Remember, jab, cross. Elbows in, keep your shoulders nice and relaxed, and breathe as you punch. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, as you step to the right, you're jabbing at the same time and then crossing to follow up. All right, so that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now going forward and back. 13, 14, 15, 16. Going left to right. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, that's 100 down. Now, we're gonna focus on the left hook. We're gonna do 50, going left to right. When you're doing one punch at a time, especially a power punch and it's not a jab cross, you're gonna feel even more uncomfortable. So as you step, all right, as you step, left hook, okay? Now, you could do it at the same time, but at first it's gonna feel very uncomfortable. It's gonna feel more comfortable going to the right. But you want to take a step first, then right hook, or left hook, okay? Let's get into it. Make sure your feet don't cross. Let's go. 1. Remember, when you throw that left hook and then off 90-degree angle, retracting that rear shoulder, sitting down on your punch, keeping those knees slightly bent. Have fun in the process, and of course, stay relaxed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, now we're going to do 25 going forward and back. All right, back to that stance. Let's go. 1, 2, going back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, remember, in an off 90-degree angle, and as you push off, you throw the punch at the same time. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, 50 left hooks. Now we're gonna get into the right hooks. Take your time and focus on technique. As you push off either leg, you punch at the same time, or you can set, and immediately after you set, then you throw that right hook. Just make sure the form is there. We're starting off going left to right with the right hook. So we're going left, step, like that. Okay, same with the right, step, boom. Okay, and remember, you're rotating your hips, retracting that rear shoulder to maximize that power. Again, if you need to catch your breath, catch your breath. If you need to get a sip of water, you need a sip of water. Let's get right back into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, now we're gonna go up and down. Again, catch your breath, get a little breather, take a sip of water, do what you need to do, and get right back into it. We're gonna be going forward and back. Remember, you can take a step and then throw it, or you can set and then throw it, all right? Now going back is not the same. Taking a step, since all your weight's on your back foot, it's gonna be kind of hard to immediately throw a right hook. Now it's easier to do that with the cross, but with the right hook, it's not the same since there's a lot more muscles working into that punch. All right, we're gonna start going forward. Let's go. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I messed up here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 50 more to go. Left uppercut, left to right, up and down. Right uppercut, left to right, up and down. 25 left, 25 right. We're gonna finish strong. Again, with that uppercut, you're slightly bending those knees. Drop your hand right outside of your peripherals, and you're rotating your rear shoulder as you go into the punch. And of course, always keep your eyes on your opponent and tucking that chin as you finish. Go right back to stance as you move it. It's gonna feel a little uncomfortable at first, but over time you'll get it. So left, boom, boom. All right, boom. Same thing, right to left. All right, let's go. We're gonna start off going left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now going forward and back. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And again, I know you're like, oh, you're not looking at your opponent. No. My eyes stay on their imaginary shoulders. You don't need to look your opponent in your eyes when you're fighting. The shoulders tell you where the punch is coming from or what he's about to throw before he even throws it. So don't look into the eyes because the eyes can play tricks on you, especially if you're in the ring or if you're in a street fight. All right, back to the stance. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the right hook. Remember, take a step, bam. All right, again, drop slightly, retract that lead shoulder all the way into the punch, keeping your eyes on your opponent, and right back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, forward and back. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 250 reps down. Hey, you completed session 7. Again, if you're not used to this, I know it's very difficult. Check out the Peekaboo Boxing Academy channel. They really break down the nitty-gritty of the technique, or get the book by Sam Ness, where they mechanically break down the Peekaboo style itself, or just study Mike Tyson, Jose Torres, and Floyd Patterson. Have fun in the process. Be persistent. All right, now for the next session, we're going to try to get comfortable as we're walking forward in the box step or back or whichever direction as we throw the punch, because that's where you get your flow. And that's what we're going to do for the next 6 punches. Now, thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. And if you liked the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, always work towards becoming your greatest version.